I'm willing to bet that there's something in your life that you feel like you're too late to start pursuing seriously. And I know that because somewhere in our lives, we all got the impression that if we haven't already started something, then we're too late. And we need to talk about that because it's holding us all back from doing wonderful things. For a long time, that was me, thinking I was too late to take my art seriously because I didn't have success with it straight out of school, and holding myself back from trying to become an illustrator because there were people younger and cooler and better at it than me. I did eventually decide to try anyway, and here I am 6 years later working full-time as an artist and creator. So let's break down why it is certainly not too late for you to start, no matter how old you are. So I had 3 main reservations. Number 1, I'm behind everybody else, so it's too late for me to start now. 2, I should have started sooner and now it's going to be too hard. And 3, I'm too old to start a new skill and I'll be judged for trying. Your list of reservations is probably similar, so this video is my evidence against each of those points that I'm hoping will help you put those reservations aside and be able to fully pursue your artist dreams and goals, whatever they may be. I'm making some art to hang on the wall today because I just bought a house with my partner in the south of Tasmania, Australia. So I've had to move studio again and I need to start adding some color to the walls, so let's paint together while we chat. So reservation number 1 was I'm behind everybody else, so it's too late for me to start now. As somebody who took school quite seriously at the time and believed that my education was the only thing that would set me up for a serious career in something, this is the reservation that I personally felt the hardest. I kind of felt like if I hadn't learned something at school, at university, or as a recent graduate, then I was way behind the people who did, and I had missed my opportunity. Somewhere along the way, I had been instilled with this idea that achieving things at a young age was best, and if you were older, then what took you so long? But there are obviously some problems with that logic. Firstly, whoever said that education was for young people only? Of course, you should be able to go and learn something new at any age and any stage of life. And secondly, why would it matter to my life and my art journey what somebody else did when they were younger than me? When I really sat and thought about what possible impact it could have on my life that other people were better than me at something at a younger age, I genuinely couldn't think of a reason. The only way it will impact me is if I let that reservation hold me back from doing what I want to do now. There will always be people younger and cooler and better at things than me, and that should never ever take away my excitement to pursue a new interest. Because what a waste of passion that would be if I let comparison get in my way. I want to be able to learn something new whether I'm 20, 30, or 110 years old. I want to be able to completely remove the idea that starting something a little bit later than other people could possibly have any negative impact on my own journey. Because this is not a competition. It's only you in your race. So pursue your passion for art at any age and any speed. Take as long as you want to get to the finish line and ignore what other people are doing because they're not the ones living your life. You are. My second reservation was I should have started sooner and now it's going to be too hard. I mean, sure, technically I could have started things sooner, but it's not a bad thing that I didn't, and you know why? Because I was doing other things, and those things were also valuable. We can only be doing so many things at a time, and we can't possibly do everything we could ever want to do all at once. It's not possible and it wouldn't be fun. And you're in the same boat. The reason you didn't start sooner was because you were doing other things with your life. You've achieved so many amazing things, and that's why you haven't become a master artist yet. You've been busy. Maybe you started a family or have been building a career. Maybe you've been studying other things or caring for loved ones. Or maybe you've been overcoming challenges that have made you a stronger person. Everything you've been doing is valuable and should be celebrated. So there's no need to wish you had started pursuing your art sooner, and it's not too late to start now. And it won't make it harder to start later. If anything, you have more life experience now that you can bring to the table. Even skills and experiences that don't seem related can pop up in unexpected places. Maybe you've learned flexibility from being a parent that can help you adapt when your art doesn't turn out how you expected. Or you've learned to express yourself differently now that you're older and you can bring that to your art. Age is an asset, not a limitation. So try to remember that next time you're worried that you're starting later than you would have liked. And my third reservation was I'm too old to start a new skill and I'll be judged for trying. I'm not really sure where we learned that picking up new skills was something that only young people do, but I certainly felt that when I started drawing every day. And I did feel a little scared of being judged for trying something new. Probably because I knew that I was going to be bad at art for a while before I got better. And I picked up this expectation that as an adult, I should already know how to do things, at least to a decent level. Which is kind of silly because how can I be good at something that I don't have a lot of practice with? And why would it be weird that I was trying to get better at it? And by the way, I was only 28 years old when I started drawing every day, and when I felt like I was too late to start taking my art seriously. I was still in my 20s, and even then I was feeling too old to start pursuing something new from scratch. So I think that just goes to show that you can be feeling these reservations at any age. But I've happily realized as I've gotten older that it genuinely doesn't matter what other people think, and most people are so busy doing their own thing that they don't really care what you're doing. Don't get me wrong, it's not nice to feel judged, but it isn't something that I want to be so afraid of that I don't even try. I would rather be judged on my way to building my dream job as an artist than not even pursue it in the first place, just in case. I don't want you to ever feel like you're too late to start something new, because as corny as it is, life's too short to hold yourself back. In 5 years from now, will you be looking back to today and thinking to yourself, well, I sure am glad that I didn't start making art back then because I was certainly too old to give it a go. No, you're going to be thinking, I wish I had just started because I wasn't too late at all. I still had all that time in front of me. So be an artist if you want to make art because you're never too late to start. Let us know in the comments if you've ever felt too late to start something, and if you were able to overcome that, what helped you get there. If you want to see more from my studio, then join my art community over on Patreon. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.